What's up, and welcome back to MrNoble TV. Today we got a weird one. Um, so my daughter actually cracked her iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we're basically gonna try to cosmetically somehow try to fix this phone with a screen protector, so she don't have to rub her fingers across the cracked screen until we get it fixed. All right, so from my experience with glass, I know the best thing to do is kind of rub the cracked pieces off, so it becomes nice and smooth like this with a razor. I think that should be good. All right, so we're gonna do a nice little smooth wipe off. Try to rub it clean. So I was thinking about replacing the glass myself, but these OLED screens, the cheapest one that I could find was like $150 on Amazon. I know they have some on eBay too, but I mostly purchase from Amazon. So I was looking into buying the LCD ones, but with the LCD changing the screen with the LCDs, and this being an OLED screen, you so it's basically you pay for what you get. So if you buy a cheap product, if I buy a LCD screen to replace it with this, yeah, it'll work, but you'll have some disorientation with the screen colors, the touching and stuff like that, because they have all these sensitive sensors inside of these iPhones. So I said, I'm gonna just wait, and then I'm gonna get it done for her for Christmas. She don't know that yet, but I'm gonna get it done for her for Christmas. So we're gonna get her glass replaced. So once I get the glass replaced, then I'll do an update, a part two to this video, so you can actually see. So as you see, the back is perfectly fine because she actually had a case on it, but she didn't have a screen protector. So if you're prone to dropping things accidentally, this is the first time ever dropping a phone, it happens sometimes. Just make sure you have at least a screen protector on it. Because I think if we would have had a screen protector on it, we wouldn't have had this situation. But there's a repair shop close to my house, so we're actually going to be able to get it repaired for $140, $150. Almost the same price as what the screen would have been with the repair kit, buying the static-free gloves. So I didn't want to have to do it. I'm gonna let somebody else that actually does this kind of stuff. I'm gonna actually let them do it. I'm gonna let the repair shop do it. All right, so if you're ready, let's get right into this video. All right, so what are we gonna do in order to get this thing done? So I got a package right here that's gonna try to. So we're gonna do this. All right, remove this paper towel, and what we're gonna do is we're going to put a black, not a clean, not a clear screen protector, but a dark tinted, not matte, but a anti-spy screen protector on it. So I went ahead and got this one, and let's go. So I got this one off Amazon, and it was like $7 for Black Friday. So I got a really good deal on a Black Friday. Regular price was like $12. So, all right, so we're gonna slide this out the way for a second. Like anti. So this one's made by Smart Devil. Anti-spy screen protector. 28-degree, clear front, side, peep proof, protecting privacy from leakage. So if you're looking straight on, you can actually see your screen, but if somebody's looking at it from the side, they won't be able to see what you're looking at. So we're going to take that off. Let's see what comes in the box. All right. That's everything in the box. All right. So, Smart Devil, we offer better protection. Envelope bag with accessories, screen protector, and instructions. Nice little envelope. Scan the QR code, activate the membership, extend the after sales period by 2 years. I'll pass on that. I'm not doing no warranty on no screen protector. I feel like I could just buy another one. So this one actually comes with 2 in a pack. So we're gonna work with one right now. And you also get the screen guard. So it goes right over the phone, which is pretty cool. This old iPhone 11 Pro Max or SX Max. So I'll let you work with me and we're gonna see how this goes. So first off, we have to clean it. Just rip it open, man. Let's get on with it. All right, so in the bag, 01, so it gives you basic instructions. 01 is the clean and wipe. The second step is 02. And then the final is the dusting stickers at 03. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. Let's get our clean and wipe. Let's clean this glass nice and good. I mean, you know, it's like you're cleaning your phone glass, just like you're cleaning your mirrors in your bathroom, or you're cleaning them in the house. So I feel a little bit of glass coming off, which is good. So it's getting it nice and clean. It's making it shine more. Let me put my finger right there so I don't keep putting fingerprints all over. It's gonna be ugly. I mean, the phone can't. I don't think the phone is gonna get a little any more ugly than what it already is. I mean, she really tore this thing up, wouldn't you say? Let's look at this. She tore this thing up pretty good. Uh, Almost worse than Snap, Crackle, and Pops. But this is into the morning, the evening, and the nighttime until she gets it fixed. So what we gonna say about that? She over there laughing right now. She's like, Daddy, what are you talking about? We try to get this as smooth as possible. So I think that's pretty clean. We're gonna throw that away since we're dealing with glass. We don't want to get glass in our fingers. All right, so right here, there we go. All right, that looks nice and neat. Now we're gonna use these dust stickers before we get started. So make sure we get everything off the screen. I mean, like we can do any more damage. Actually, I'm gonna take this off right quick. Make sure I get all the glass from the corners. I'm also, you notice there's a bunch of little glass crystals on here. So this is a really good idea. Make sure I get them all off. Turn this around, get the remainder off. So this is an idea for you if you actually got your screen cracked before, and you just have to be able to use your phone still, so you don't actually cut your hand, or you know, it could be nice and smooth for you again until you're able to get some money to get it fixed. So we're gonna go back to step 3 or step 2. All right, so we're on step 2. Oh, excuse me. I didn't mean it. Oh, look, gas came out. It happens every once in a while. You know what that means. So let's go on to step 3. Slowly lower the top of the tempered film against the edge of the phone receiver. All right, so here we go. After fully releasing the tempered film, gently press it smoothly with your fingers and tempered film will automatically absorb, completing the film application. All right, so here we go. I don't know how well this is going to work. It'll be a lot better. I mean, it can't get no worse than what it was already. And let's go back in the middle. I'm going to take this off now. Pretty good, pretty good. I guess that's the best it's going to get. So we're going to put the case on now and turn her on. And let's see what we're looking like. All right, here we go. It looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks a whole lot better. Yeah, it feels a lot better. I mean, it's better. It's better than anything, you know. It's better than having a. See, if you look at it from the side, you can't remember. I mean, you could tell it's cracked around here, but. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color this black on the sides, so it can kind of not be so noticeable. I always come up with some crazy ideas, but they seem to work. That actually looks a whole lot better. Oh yeah, looking nice. Here we go. Yeah, from the side you can't really tell it's cracked. All right. The wonders of a tech head, huh? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later.